Hello, this is Chad with Syncfusion. Today I'm talking about my number one favorite control, the Syncfusion Diagram. Why is this the coolest control? I'll tell you in a minute why I think it is. But here's the thing about it. Control is so flexible. It can do just about anything you like to do. The UI is entirely customizable by you, has all these cool things here you can read about. And I want to zoom to the bottom of this and talk about that. This is the same control across all of these platforms, or at least the JavaScript is. Same control across all these platforms, including ASP.NET Core, MVC, and if you want to put this in web forms, and there's a couple of y'all still out there, we have an ES5 JavaScript flavor of it that you can put right on your web page. And let's jump in and look at the control itself. This is what it looks like. It's a diagram. Look at the cool interaction. Just drag and drop. Isn't this so much fun? I actually like it a lot. So these are nodes. These are connectors. The nodes can be, you can put HTML, you can put custom JavaScript in here if you wish. This is still a node. You can still put connectors to it if you wish, but it is just some custom bits of JavaScript. Whatever you want to put in there can be in there. We have a number of events. You can have just about anything you want to see in here. You can drag and drop and look. All these events go. It's very handy for developers. You can control it amazingly, but you can control it. Here's the constraints. So by default, you can do everything to a node unless you turn it off. So a constraint is going to turn something off. That's what it's going to do. And we have all those available to you. Tooltips are here. You can change your handles to be pretty much whatever you like. This sample shows you changing colors. It's pretty basic. We have trees, we have mind maps. You can do data binding. If you want to do data binding, let it pull up information based upon that. Virtualization. Yeah, I said that right. We can handle a ton of data just like this. It's super cool. You can do network diagrams, something like this. And let me come in and show you where the cool samples are. And here is our main sample page. And at the bottom, we find our showcase applications. So the diagram builder, I'm going to show you in just a minute. It is one of the cooler things, samples that we have. Then there is the BPMN viewer, the floor planner. I like this one a lot. This one here, this guy, and the mind map maker. So this is, I already jumped into it. This is just the diagram builder, where you can just throw a node up here, make a connector to it. Just do this one. Here we go, make a connector to it, and you can, custom. Well, then we got a selector, and then you can customize this guy however you like, right? Make it nice and clean and fun. That's cool. We also have a BPMN editor, so it does exactly what you would want to do for BPMN editor. You can put some customization to the nodes. There's a panel over here on the right. You can do the same thing to a connector. The floor planner is just this. If you need to lay out a floor plan, I've had a customer do this who was doing planning for weddings and big events. And they had a bunch of these tables that they wanted to put around. This particular floor plan, I don't know what a table is doing here. And actually, I really don't know what this sink, looks like a sink, is doing in the middle of the living room area. I may have to talk to the Syncfusion interior design team and see what they had planned for that. And then all these samples exist here at syncfusion.com, GitHub/Syncfusion. And as a matter of fact, right here, these are all of our samples. You can download the demo to any sample that we have. And if you do a search on diagram, you'll get the actual project for all of these showcase samples. So this was a quick overview of the Syncfusion diagram control. Thank you for watching.